What is going on, everybody? If you're just now joining us, we're out here at Forest Park doing a little trout fishing. I'm trying a new trout lure. Got one of those mini trout magnets that's floating underneath of the bobber. We're letting the bobber just kind of push her around, just like that. Caleb, how's it going? Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for joining. Yeah, we're trying to catch some fish. Hey, Tag Shot Daniel. Hey, Raph Outdoors. Hey, Flores. So Fishing. How's it going? How's it going, Raph? Thank you for stopping in. Thank you. Thank you for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Yeah, we're just, I'm fishing a tiny little jig underneath of a bobber and just giving that a few tries, and then I'll switch over to a spinner. Give that a try a little bit. Like I said, we're just trying a couple different things. Hey, how's it going, Honeycut? Hey, thank you, No Frills. No, thank you. You have a good one. Thank you. I appreciate your watch. I appreciate you watching all the way from Scotland, man. Thank you. What kind of fishing rod is this? So this is just a real cheap one, like a Zebco slingshot, Walmart fishing gear here. I guess all my poles that I got for the most part come from Walmart. They're all fairly inexpensive, I would say. I guess I have a few nicer poles as well, but I'm just using some more inexpensive ones today, and it works, gets the job done on little lakes like this. I'm fishing for stocked rainbow trout, so like 10-12 inches roughly. And I got on one of those mini magnets, or mini mags, the little trout magnets, little tiny jigs. So I'm trying to see if we can catch a trout with one. I just got them yesterday, actually, so first time using, going down that small for trout. But I thought maybe it'd work, It is a super cold day. We got a bunch of snow here. Thank you for stopping in, Huckut. I really appreciate it. It's a cold and snowy day here out at Forest Park. We're giving it a shot, guys. how much snow. I think we got like 6, 7 inches of snow, something like that. It was a pretty decent size amount. I mean, especially for St. Louis. What I gathered, they don't usually get a ton of snow here, so here we got the same weather here today. Snowed a bit in the morning. Dang. Yeah, it's been snowy pretty much. Almost everybody I've been seeing has been getting that snow, or has been seeing they're getting that snow. I guess it's been a pretty big storm. Like I said, it started, I mean, it was all clear yesterday. And around like 3 a.m., I think, is when it started snowing. And I woke up like at 7 something today, and man, the roads weren't even plowed or anything. It was pretty snowy. It's gotten a little bit better now, though. Although it's going to freeze, of course, tonight. But at least the roads are a little more clear. And they'll salt them up and everything. The big roads are better, of course. Freezing cold all day. Yeah, it's been cold all day long. It's been just above freezing all day long. So it's been like 35, 36 degrees, which has been which has turned everything into this like slushy mix. So this slushy mix is gonna freeze up nice and hard, I'm sure. But it's winter. About switching over to a spinner here in a second. Right now we got that bobber going with the little jig underneath of it, but doesn't seem to be getting any bites right about now, so we'll give it one more shot here. Yeah, it's just got like a bobber style rig on it. Just waiting for that bobber to go down, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and switch it up now, going from it might be a little too dark for the smaller jig, so we will switch now to, see, that's what I was using, guys, really tiny little guy, so we'll switch it up. Let me get a spinner, and we'll try that. Maybe we'll have a little better luck with the spinner. There we go. So should at least miss some water and attract a fish. Well, that's my hope. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot, guys. Oh. We'll at least give this a few tries and see if we can get anything with it. It's one of those Meps Aglias, really small, size 0. I've been having good luck with it though. So let's see if it'll work. All right. Oh yeah, it's oh, we're wrapped around. Somehow got wrapped around our There we go. There we go. Let's see if we could see if we get anything. Hey, Peer Coops. Hey, Big Sam. Nothing yet. We've been trying for a bit now, but yeah, it's been kind of a slow day today. Maybe they sometimes will stack up down here on this side of the wall. What you're fishing for? Rainbow trout. Rainbow trout are what we are fishing for. looked like one maybe. Let's see. No. So we're trying to catch us some rainbow trouts all. It's a cold, snowy day out here, guys. Cold, snowy day. We're making do. Just gotta go a little more. Try going back this way. These are stalkers. They don't a lot of times seem to care that much. Now we'll go. Okay, so we'll try this section right here. Sometimes see folks. I caught a couple of trout actually on this section. so I know it's decent. Sometimes there's trout right down here, right by the wall, guys. On the plus side, trout love the cold. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. That's about one of the only things we got working for us. Trout love the cold, but Orta does not. I mean, I'm all right in the cold, but would rather be on a warm day. I'd take heat over cold. But that being said, it also isn't terrible. I've definitely been fishing in worse weather before. I need to find like a warm water discharge or something like that to go target. There's got to be some around here. Also, I got to make some of those long form videos too. Hey, Danny, how's it going? Danny the Stinger Manny, how's it going? I'm doing good, Just out here doing a little fishing in Forest Park, kind of a park in here in St. Louis. Just decided to run out and fish for a little while. Although I don't think I'll be out here much longer. Hands almost stop working. And me the snow. Yeah, it's not snowing up there in the Netherlands, I guess. We got plenty of snow here. There's snow here. There's snow where Pickles is. There's snow almost like I think half of the U.S. got snow today. So, or yesterday. Today and yesterday. It's been a really snowy day or two. Everybody I know in Chicago got snow. That's a 2-foot eye. Yeah, really good and snowy. Yeah, there's definitely parts of St. Louis that are getting that much for sure. There's got quite a bit. I think maybe a little more will be coming in this evening too. Hey, D&D lover 145, how's it going? And then says Pierre. Oh man. Let's get here. I guess snowball fight. I haven't had one of those in a while. Good. Did I finally find another Canada fisher? Oh man, feels like we're in Canada today. Feels like we're in Canada, man. This is St. Louis, Missouri, actually. So that's where we are at. We got a whole bunch of snow. So yeah, that's where I'm out here at a park in St. Louis doing a little trout fishing. They stocked this lake up with a bunch of rainbow trout, so that's what I'm trying to catch. They're in here. I caught them in here before, just not today. Today's been a little slow. But yeah, they got rainbows, they got catfish, they got just about everything in here, but rainbows are kind of what they stock and what everybody's been catching recently. It's been those rainbows. Those are biting pretty good. I mean, they got largemouth in here as well, but I caught a largemouth out of here like a week ago or so while trout fishing. So you could definitely catch largemouth in the cold as well, but yeah, we're going for the rainbows. How big are the rainbows? Like 10, 12-inch stockers mostly. They got a few bigger ones in here as well. I mean, they'll put some like 18 inchers and stuff. But for the most part, they tend to be on the smaller side, I would say. You know. They go ahead and always throw a couple of big ones in there and then quite a few smaller ones. Thank you, Pickles. Thank you, Pickles, for modding for me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Oh man, we go. Those are still good fun to use. Fishing pole size joints. Ask what pole is it? So this is the Shakespeare Micro from Walmart. Actually, it's like the Micro combo. I've seen it pretty well reviewed. I think it is. I have a Celio, like a large Celio, but it's very similar to that. I think. I kind of like it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like this rod, but it's held up really well, and it's also small and compact. So, and most of the places I fish, I'm not casting super far, so it works really well. Yeah, I got a Shakespeare. I don't know if it's a micro or not. Yeah, this is like the 4.5 footer or so, and or maybe 4 footer actually, and it's real small, good ultralight. Pike, one of my favorite things to catch here in Colorado. I went out pike fishing a ton in Illinois because they supposedly have them in there. I never got one out there, but I've gotten pike before. They're a lot of fun to fish for. I got those when I was like a teenager. I caught a bunch of pike up in Minnesota, actually. But I tell you what, everybody, we've been going for like a half hour or so, and I gotta be honest, I'm pretty cold. I haven't been catching much or bites, so I think that's gonna go ahead and do it for me, y'all. But thank you, Pickles. Thank you, Fishing Pole. Thank you, D&D Lover. Thank you, Danny, the Stinger Manny. Thank you, everybody, for jumping in. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, I will plan on seeing y'all on another live stream. But I don't know. I think that's gonna do it for me at this place. Have a good one, guys.